kopa o tshware o shebise ka ho nna o tsho ke a bona hantle.
Ya bonahala.
This is square. Okay. So that means 4 sides are equal. And that one. So if you want to fit in something here, it must be this shape. It must be a square. It must not be a triangle. No, it's going to be wrong. It must not be a rectangular. Rectangular is 2 sides are equal. This one and that one, I can't say it's like a moon. N are equal to that one is equal to that one. So what I'm trying to say, it's like a puzzle. In a puzzle, you put in something that fits. If it's like this, you must be fitting something that fits like. You don't come with something like, for example, it's a saw. It's not gonna fit. So that's why in our lives, don't allow people to bring in something into your life that does not fit, and then don't allow that, because everything that is not yours that comes a negative that does not fit your life. It does not fit, guys. Why you want to push it in?
It breaks.
Don't force it. Don't force. Yeah, Valentine. So don't force something. If for example someone speaks something that but it's not me, let it pass, or let it reflect back to the person. Yeah, but how do you let that happen? You just ignore. You don't have to respond to everything. You don't have to answer everything.
I like that.
You understand? Even when you answer, it's like, for example, when you ask me my name, that will be Patrick Lawrence Blessing Wiseman Mpine. Isituko sami uzathi kuDlamini ngikhuliswa ke bahlakwana. That is Omgilani, ngikhuliswa ke bomphi. You understand? So I don't have another answer. I can't be Ufande Merve good people. I don't know if you understand. I cannot be someone I'm not. So if someone wants to force Uguti, you must give another. I don't have. Why you answer? You gave the answer. Now it's quiet. If you are not hamba yena asithi wena ungumathupe, andingomathupe mina. Umasiduko sawo. Umkhatla. Wakhatleya phela yabona yabo. Wakhatle, andikhatlei mina. Uyayiva loo nto? Ngoba abantu ukuthi abathanda inyama ngesiXhosa. Ngesiphi esesiduko?
Asibone
Andizazi isiduko. Hayi mina ndingudlamini. Hayi but isikhona isiduko esithanda inyama. Seyisho bathanda ukuziboka uyipoka bathu akere. But now in everything. But in everything, guys, what I'm saying is, if one day things are changing, don't worry when things change. If one day people decide in any other way, don't worry. Why worry? Dithi kanti bacakisela apha this morning, dithi yazi ntoni mna the El Gama lithi Men Against Crime. I came with the word Dindedwa because why? I wanted people to be Sienzi Gama. They didn't want to, so I said individual. And then so when it's men, you come, I come as an individual, you come as an individual, you come. We become MEN when we are men. But there are people who won't be part of this. For example, not someone saying I'm not being part. Omunye cannot be part because Urepila can't be part because I'm fighting crime. But we don't judge a person. There's a guy here who there was a murder case and I call it before you. When we started, but he passed it. But he worked. And he came back, operational skill. So looks at the radio. It's a good thing. You worked. So what I'm trying to say, class sentence like you don't judge a person. Yeah, but when he started date, I was talking about Indabaye Umtu. Because we began with event 9 August 2013. Since the event, because it be Women's Day. So we say, when they say God created men, I say it started in church, God created men. Man lona umtu. Man is male and female. So that means we are biased kwintoni male person. Siyaphuma sithi thetha tata. Sithi we mentor. Yayibona yonke laa nto. But kwinto yonke into ebalulekileyo is to understand, guys, anything that does not fit in. Umzekelo, if angithi kuyavotwa. If one day the men against come decides to die, you are the founder, yeah, but now suck thing. There's example. No one the amber party, that's my baby.
That's me.
That's me. That's my identity. And you understand it. But and 30 pride alone. But I will tell a person often I will tell you it's like this.
Remember.
But it's the truth. Who's the founder of the thing?
Exactly.
It's the truth.
I hope.
And I was helped by Untolo, the late. He said, no, you must register this thing so that you can get funding. Because when you push and jet it, without funding, you take back funding for grocery, for Ujiwe, when there's an event. I can talk, guys. It's my gift.
It's your gift.
It's my gift. It's my calling. We are one and two. So that's why it's your date. Even no one one day go to ask that. Okay,
I've left something. I've left something.
I love something there. So I want you to let us respect each other. And whilst we respect each other, it is very important to understand that let people work freely. If someone's got a mistake, guys, you tell us understand. Don't erase a person 100%. A person's got a chance of tomorrow to rectify. Even if I'm doing it gender-based violence, ne? I'm trained sonke justice, ne? Sonke gender justice, ne? Whereby we talk equal gender justice, sonke justice. I mean, so that means we say father be involved. Ebomini bomntana, ne? From pregnancy. Can you see it's family-wise?
It's family-wise.
We say positive parenting. I say congratulate umntana xa enze right. Sometimes ignore. Don't fight for everything. Ayinakho intwini. We understand. So it's so important that when we work, trained in domestic violence. I'm trained with that's why I'm doing it. Now basic counseling. Besides my things as umfundisi ke ngozaseqaleni. You understand? So in London City, window yonke guys. Let us work freely. If you've got a problem, talk with someone who can task, but ignore some other things. But don't ignore social development. Exactly. Especially project money. When I make sure that you fulfill the need of social development. Yeah, because it's gonna come back to you. And guys, we want to increase this thing up until you get something better.
Okay.
Hey. Oh, thank you. Don't look on Amanda.
Reputation.
Da.
I like